It's official. I just upgraded to a Peloton bike. Hey guys, welcome back to Aura Life. Wait, do you hear that? Oh my gosh, you know what time it is? It's time for Ravemas. Hi everyone, I hope you're getting into the Christmas spirit with me. I'm so excited. It's December, it's my birthday month, and I am super stoked to be kicking off this series with some of my fellow rave YouTubers here on YouTube. Excited that we are gonna do a vlogmas series this month. That means that each of us will be having a designated day where we will upload just some vlogs around rave related topics or just about our everyday life, so you have something to entertain yourselves during the holiday season. So I am so honored that they asked me to be a part of this series, and I just feel the girl power. It's coming through the screen, guys. I'm so excited to be a part of this awesome group of women, and I hope that we entertain you guys for this last month of 2020. I am so excited to share with you guys this vlog because it's been a long time coming. It's probably been a year in the making. I finally updated and upgraded to the actual Peloton bike. She's a beauty. I call her Rave Mom. That's right. When I ride her, you can actually name your bike, which I didn't even know that. But I just want to let you know, for everyone who does follow me on Peloton, my user handle is still the same. It's Ashes to Dashes. So make sure you follow me and check me out, and maybe we can ride along together. Oh yeah, shout out to my girl, Emma Capotes. I bought some of her merch from Rave Culture Cast, which is her podcast. You guys, this hat is so comfy. I also got the mug for my tea, and I'm just feeling comfy, cozy, just ready to curl up, light a fire right now, and because it is getting cold in Chicago. So make sure you check my girl's merch out because it is the best. Don't already know, I'm obviously obsessed with Raves, and I'm also obsessed with Peloton, and I feel like those two worlds collide and they merge because if you are a music connoisseur, you know that the Peloton community is right up your alley. And since then, I had been actually joining in on Peloton exercises in the community via bike hack. And I decided that I would upgrade a couple of months ago, and I'm so excited to share with you my experience because I know there's a lot of questions that everyone has about ordering the bike, what you do. So for all of my subscribers who know me, I know I took a quick hiatus for about a month. There's a lot of reasons behind that. Unfortunately, I lost a member of my family, and that was really rough, and I just needed to disconnect, decompress, deal with that. But the reason I mention that is I just want you to know, I know there's a lot of people that are missing loved ones right now. They've lost loved ones this year. 2020 has really been rough on us. I just want to say to take a deep breath, to take your time, that grieving is a process and you do things on your time. There's no rush. Take the time that you need. It's important that you take care of yourself, your mental health, your self-care. For me, getting back into my skincare routine really proved worthwhile for me. It really helped me center myself, ground myself, and my meditation game is back on point, y'all, because I needed it. But yeah, I'm back. I'm excited to get creating again and just getting back into the routine of creating because I know that that's what makes me happy. Talking to you guys, connecting with you guys makes me happy at the end of the day. I ordered the bike. Now, just so you know which bike I ordered, I ended up getting the regular bike. There's the bike and there's the Bike Plus. The Bike Plus is a new edition and it has a couple of additional features, not too many, and it also has a screen that swivels, and that's mostly ideal for my boot camp. A little editing note to my app riders, this is not to say that you have to upgrade to the Peloton bike. Be happy with the bike that you have. If you have to hack it out, if that's the only thing in your budget, girl, you do you. There is no shame in your game, and I always say that it's more important to move than to worry about your equipment. And if you want to upgrade later, do that. If you don't and you're happy with your current bike, keep it moving, guys. I do not regret setting up my bike hack. It was great for me at the time, but I'm still going to be excited to try out the bike and see if I like it and to move forward in this new process, in this new part of my journey. I also will be doing a video soon that compares my hack to the Peloton bike, just so you can have my thoughts on what I like about the new bike, what I don't like about it, and how it compares to my old Schwinn IC2, so stay tuned. Alright, back to the vlog. It wasn't important to get the swivel in the actual screen because I already have an Apple TV and I like to mirror to my Apple TV during my boot camps. More on that come later. If you want more information around the bike boot camps, make sure you click my video and watch that. I'll put a little eye up here so you can check it out. I ended up snagging the Bike Essentials package, which included my bike with the screen. It included 3-pound weights. You can actually choose the pounds, but I went up to the highest weight in pounds, so it's 3 pounds. I also got a pair of earphones and I got my shoes with the Delta clip-in. So I am so excited. I already had a mat, so I didn't have to buy that, but you can also buy mats on Amazon for super cheap if you don't want to pay the extra price tag. So that's an option if you just want to go with the Bike Essentials or just the basic bike. So anyway, it was really easy to check out. The customer service was on point. I ended up paying outright, but they do have a firm. You can pay in installments if you like. I have friends who have done that before and they've been really happy with it. I think the only information that you need is like a driver's license and your background information, and then they'll confirm how you can finance it. Anyway, I placed my order in October. I think it was like October 12th or something in the mid-month. And initially my delivery date was on my birthday, December 20th. And I was like, man, that's a long time to wait. So I actually called customer service and had them move it up to the 23rd. So I got it right before Thanksgiving. It was perfect little gift, early Christmas birthday gift for me, and I'm so excited. So yeah, so that's kind of how it went. Now, in terms of the delivery, you'll see in the vlog that I actually received the bike the day that it was supposed to be received. I know that some people have had some issues with deliveries. Mine was seamless. And I actually just got a call and an email the day before that they're going to be coming within a certain window of time. And then 30 minutes out, they called me and they told me that it was coming. So without further ado, here's my vlog on receiving my new Peloton bike. That's them. It's Peloton Day. They called me 30 minutes before, and they're here. Ta-da!
You want? I mean, I don't know how hard it is. Put the
Take my long sleeves off.
No, it's fine.
I mean, whatever gets you more like likes, you know.
Right, I know.
And then, you know, we talk about business later.
Sure. Hey, it's empty.
Yeah. Oh, actually, let me go first. She wants to come.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All you have to do is connect here so I can show you.
Okay.
So go ahead and put English.
Okay.
you're gonna go ahead and connect to your Instagram.
Your Wi-Fi. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know how long it'll take. Some bikes it takes longer depending on when they came out of the warehouse.
Okay.
So after it's installing the latest software, we're actually Central, right?
Yeah. You know, I have to
That's
forget.
a good question. So yeah, it's gonna download the latest software. It might take a while.
Okay.
Yeah, you see downloading, it's gonna download itself.
Okay.
It's gonna upload to the bike. And then it's gonna ask for your Peloton code. Go ahead and punch that Peloton code in. That if you have it. I don't know if you've activated it yet.
Not yet. I already have like a membership, but it's a digital membership, so I don't know how that.
Okay, so you would have to go in your app.
Okay.
And then there's a bike. I believe there's a bike in the application.
Okay.
So you go ahead and punch it in, and it'll link to it.
Okay.
And with the Wi-Fi, it should connect to your profile.
Okay.
Right, and then you're gonna have to get on and calibrate the bike yourself.
Okay, got it.
All right.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Right?
To ride with you. I might can't do it much, but definitely tomorrow.
Okay, yeah, tomorrow, because tomorrow starts the turkey workouts or whatever, I think.
Oh, does it?
I think.
Oh, cool.
So, yeah.
Cool.
Okay, well, I'll talk to you later. I'll let you know how it goes.
All right, bye.
Okay, bye. So cool. So sexy. What in the world? Look, they have videos to help you adjust.
Your kid's trying to hug you.
Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
It's 9:50.
Gonna set up the bike now. Okay, so I'm finally setting up my bike. I know you guys probably think I'm weird. Oh my gosh, my son was playing doctor, and look. So you guys are probably wondering, why haven't you ridden your bike yet? Well, first off, I've been on a yoga kick. I really needed it. But then also, I kind of feel like I haven't missed too much because I know what the Peloton experience is like. Not the bike per se, but I still know the instructors and everything. And there's been a lot of things going on personally in my family life. Unfortunately, I lost a member of my family, so I've been kind of dealing with all of that. So now I'm really excited. It's about day 2 since I've had my bike, and I'm gonna do the Peloton one-on-one. I'm gonna just walk you guys through it because I know there's always been a lot of questions about how to set up your bike. So I wanted to document this experience trying to set it up, and let's see how it goes. I got earphones. Hopefully, see if I can like zoom in. I got these earphones. I got my weights, which will go in the back. My shoes. Ta-da! Open some things, shall we? It's like Christmas Day, guys. go. I'm gonna set them over there. There's that. Alright. Headphones. Now I'll probably use my Beats because they do have Bluetooth connectivity. I tried the Peloton bike maybe a year or so ago in California while I was staying at a hotel. As you can see, my old bike is like behind me for now. So, but yeah, I tried the bike there and I just used my Beats and they were perfect. So I'll probably use my Beats, but it's nice to have a second pair of headphones, and it came with the set. So these seem nice. Absolutely perfect. Which I'll probably end up taking my first ride with headphones right now because the house is completely asleep and I want to try. So there's that. It's not even that late, it's like 9 o'clock, but my mama decided to go to sleep on me. So I'm just gonna put that right there. Now this is what I'm most excited about. Not that I needed them because I had a bike that I could clip into, but I'm excited, and hopefully when my other bike gets a new home, they can take those shoes. I also have the option of changing out these pedals if I want. There's still some stuff on here. I have the option of changing out these pedals if I like my other shoes, so we'll see what happens. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. Look. You guys. I'm gonna cry. So beautiful. I'm so excited. Now here's gonna be the problem because I'm gonna have to install these, and I hate it. Alright, so the cleats don't come assembled, so you have to add the cleat onto the back. I figured out this one, so I was gonna get on camera and show you guys how to do it. So the first thing you do is you're gonna take your cleat, and if you can see, the side that is flat, so this side is kind of, there's like an opening, so that's not flat. The side that is flat and kind of curved this way, where the black is smooth, that is the side that's gonna face up. So you just align it with where, there you go. You wanna make sure that the first one is loose when you add in your screws so that you can adjust them, because you want to make sure that this is right underneath the ball of your foot. But this one's gonna be easier because look, there's grooves and numbers. I don't know if you can see. Okay, there's grooves and numbers here that will help me measure to make sure that it is the same. So mine is like under the groove at 3. So I'm going to follow that to make sure that it is symmetrical. So I'm gonna go here. Then you have these metal pieces, it looks like this. And you put that on top. I'll try to put it side by side here. So you put all 3 of those on top. I'm just gonna hold it in place. Okay, face you down so you can see what I'm doing. So, like I said, it's in that groove there. I'm gonna take, move it over slightly here. Make sure. I put in all of the grooves here. see if I can like get you to see it. It's kind of hard to show this. And then you get this little Allen wrench. Alright, so I'm gonna try to clip in for the first time. We'll see how this goes. Okay, first time walking in. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. Yes! Successful! Clicking out is always the hardest, but I feel really good about that. Very successful. I think I'm gonna give this a try. The first thing I'm gonna do is my settings. That's my Bluetooth. Not really sure what the difference between bike and cycling is, but let's see. I want to do Cody. Good instructor. We're gonna do Cody first because I love Groove Ride. Yep, this is the one. Okay, let me set you guys up. Okay. We're gonna do the Groove Ride. So that's it, guys. That's how I installed the bike, my first ride on the bike. I will say so far that I think that this upgrade was worth it. I can already tell a difference in the quality of the workout that I got, the amount of resistance, because before I was just kind of going based off of feel and how the instructors were describing how you should feel, if you should feel out of breath, what it feels like to ride at a certain resistance. This way I know, and I'm able to push myself a little bit further. And I do think that the leaderboard, although not all important, it really does help motivate me a little bit more. I'm excited to see what this does to my fitness journey. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I have so much fun. I'm so excited to see what this brings me, how the interaction of riding in my exercises and riding with Peloton is going to turn out. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you click that subscribe button for more content from me, and to click that little bell so that you know when a new video posts. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next Tuesday for my next Ravemas vlog. I'm so excited to continue this series with my girls, and as I always like to say, positive self, positive wealth. Love you guys. Bye.